Simon at the Art Museum by Christina Soontornvat and art by Christine Davenier. "Hello, Art Museum!" shouted Simon. "Shh," whispered Simon's mom. "Sweetie, remember what we agreed about inside voices?" Inside the museum, everyone whispered and shuffled slowly across the marble floors. Simon shuffled too, wishing he could slip or slide around in his socks. Simon and his parents looked at the art together. They looked at more art, and then more. So much art. What is it with this place? Thought Simon, before remembering that it was, in fact, an art museum. "Is that a swimming pool?" asked Simon. "It's a reflecting pool," whispered his dad. "It's a work of art, too, just like the paintings." Simon casually suggested they could make the art even better if they chased the pigeons along its edge. After that, his parents decided they wanted to hold his hands. They passed the museum cafe, where people were eating cheesecake. "Now that's what I'm talking about," said Simon. "Don't you want to see the upstairs gallery first?" whispered his mom. "I want to see the bottom of an empty cheesecake dish," thought Simon, but he followed his parents to the elevators anyway. The upstairs gallery was enormous. Simon needed cheesecake and he needed it 5 minutes ago. "I'm just going to enjoy the art from a new angle for a little while," he said. "All right," said his dad. "Just stay where we can keep an eye on you." Simon couldn't see much art from where he was sitting, but he could see the people who were seeing the art. Some of it made people smile, some of it made them shake their heads sadly, some of it made them argue with one another. One painting made two teenagers blush bright pink and start giggling. Another made a family turn their heads almost completely upside down. Sometimes people got really close to the art and squinted at it. Other times, they stood way far back. Some walked right by the art without noticing it at all. Others noticed a little too much. "Ma'am, that's a fire extinguisher." Some people looked at the art alone. Others shared it with everyone they loved. "This place is unbelievable," Simon whispered. He felt right in the middle of everything, but kind of separate, too. Then Simon spotted something at the end of the gallery. Was it art? He couldn't tell from here. No one was looking at it. He slipped off the bench and shuffled quickly toward it. Simon, called his mom. Don't run off without. Shh, whispered Simon. You guys have to see this. Whoa, whispered his mom. Unbelievable, whispered his dad. Believe it, said Simon. Later, when it was nearly closing time, Simon and his parents got ready to go. What a day, said Simon. I think we saw everything in the whole museum. Actually, said his mom, there's one thing we didn't see yet. The end.